Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the LinkedIn Learning app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. LinkedIn Learning is an educational platform developed by LinkedIn, offering thousands of expert-led courses across business, technology, and creative fields. The app provides on-demand video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable resources, allowing learners to develop skills at their own pace. It also integrates with LinkedIn profiles, enabling users to showcase completed courses and certificates to potential employers. With personalized course recommendations and offline viewing, it caters to both professionals seeking career growth and casual learners exploring new topics. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise LinkedIn Learning for its high-quality instructors, organized lesson structures, and wide course variety. The ability to learn on mobile or desktop makes it flexible for busy schedules, and the integration with LinkedIn profiles adds value for networking and job opportunities. Progress tracking and curated learning paths also help users stay motivated and consistent. Still, the app isn't without its drawbacks. Some users find the subscription price high, especially if they take courses infrequently. Others feel that certain courses can be too basic or overlap in content. While there's a free trial, access to all features requires a paid plan, which might not be ideal for casual learners who prefer one-time purchases over ongoing subscriptions. In summary, the LinkedIn Learning app may be worth using if you want a structured, high-quality learning experience with recognized certifications that enhance your professional profile. However, if you're looking for in-depth specialization in niche topics or prefer free learning platforms, it may not fully match your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.